Hello children, Ravisa here. Welcome back to the 8th session of Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. Dear children, in today's session we shall continue with the Fine Arts of India, wherein we shall discuss the art of dance, one of the fine arts of ancient India. Children, the word Nritya is derived from the Sanskrit word Nrit. About the origin of dance, it is believed that Lord Shiva is the originator of dance. He is known as Nataraj, the god of gods of dance. Lord Shiva was the first one to bring down music from heaven to earth. The main aim of dance is the realization of beauty with rhythm, that is laya, and harmony, that is tal. There are two forms of dance as follows. Number 1, classical dance, जिसे शास्त्रीय नृत्य भी कहते हैं. नंबर 2, फोक डांस यानी लोक नृत्य. First, let's begin with the classical dance. Children, there are mainly 6 forms of Indian classical dance as follows. Number 1, Bharatnatyam. Number 2, Kuchipudi. Number 3, Kathakali. Number 4, Kathak. 5, Manipuri. And last, number 6, Odissi. First, let's begin with Bharatnatyam. The origin and center of Bharatnatyam is believed to be the Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar are two original sources of Bharatnatyam. Gopi Krishna and Mrinalini Sarabhai and actresses like Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini have preserved this heritage. After the Bharatnatyam, now let's move on to number 2, Kuchipudi dance. This style of dance was created in 15th century. It is mostly based on the description of woman's beauty. Different poses and gestures of male and female dancers are the foundation of this dance style. यानी इस डांस स्टाइल में, कुचिपुड़ी डांस स्टाइल में मेल या फीमेल डांसर्स का जो पॉजेस और जेस्चर्स होते हैं वो बेसिक फाउंडेशन होता है इस डांस स्टाइल का. दिस डांस स्टाइल इज फेमस इन आंध्र प्रदेश. गुरु प्रहलाद शर्मा, राजा रेड्डी, शोभा नायडू etc. have preserved this heritage. After Kuchipudi, now let's move on to Kathakali. This style of dance is very famous in Kerala. The word Kathakali is related to Katha, a story from Ramayana and Mahabharata, and mixed dramas of Sanskrit and Malayalam. This dance form is famous for its colorful costumes and impressive presentation. With facial expressions, poses of hands and an earthen lamp, the dancer introduces the character of Triloka. Poet Sri Vallathod, Kalamandalam, Krishna Prasad, Shiv Raman etc. have preserved this art form. After Kathakali, now let's move on to Kathak. The development of Kathak is linked with the saying कथन करे सो कथक कहावे. तो कथक नृत्य किसे कहा जाता है? उस नृत्य को, डांस को कहा जाता है जो कोई कथा आपको कहती हो, राइट। दिस डांस फॉर्म नरेट्स द लाइफ इवेंट्स ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. It has developed with the Shrungar Bhakti of Vaishnav sect in North India. In this dance form, the dancer turns around on one leg, showing references of dance. Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi and Kumudini Lakhia have preserved this art. After Kathak, now let's try to know something about Manipuri dance. This dance form of Manipur is based on the Ras Leela and Bal Leela of Sri Krishna. This dance form is divided into two types, Lasya and Tandav. In this dance form, women wear a silk blouse and a belt around the waist. The plaited green colored petticoat is known as cumin. Guru Amobi Singh, Atambo Singh, Guru Bipin Sinha, Naina Jhaveri, Nirmal Mehta, etc. have preserved this art. After the Manipuri dance, now let's move on to the last dance form of classical dance, that is Odissi. Children, in our textbook of social science, we don't have any reference to this dance form. But in the previous textbook, there was a mention of this dance form. That's why I am giving you some details about this dance form. So, this dance form, Odissi, is famous in Odisha. Pratima Bedi was a famous Odissi dancer. So, dear children, these were the classical dances of India. Right. After the classical dance, now let's move on to the folk dance. Dear children, in our textbook, the folk dances of Gujarat have been mentioned. The main folk dances of Gujarat are as follows. Number 1, Rasa. Number 2, Garbo. Number 3, Gof Gunthan dance. 4, Dhamal dance. 5, Merayo dance. 6, Padhar dance. 7, Koli dance. 8, Mare dance. 9, tribal dances wherein we have Chado dance and Tippani dance. First, let's begin with Ras. Ras is a dance performed in a circle along with singing. It is mostly performed in Gujarat during Navratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Ras is one of its type. As per a legend, एक कहानी के मुताबिक लॉर्ड कृष्णा had shown रास लीला to his devotee नरसिंह मेहता. कहानी के मुताबिक लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने उनके प्यारे भक्त नरसिंह मेहता को रास लीला दिखाई थी. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect, Ras has become more popular. While performing Ras, women wear traditional dresses like embroidered chaniya choli and men wear embroidered kediya dhoti. After Ras, now let's move on to Garbo. The word Garbo is derived from the word Garbhadeep, which means an earthen lamp placed in a old earthen pot. Dancers keep this Garbhadeep on their head and move around in circle. Garbas are performed during Navratri festival in all parts of Gujarat. Gujarati people perform and sing Garba to worship Adya Shakti Jagdamba. Gujarati poetry, known as Garba and Garbi, is chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote poems in Gujarati language. After Garbo, now let's see Gof Gunthan dance. This dance is performed on drum beats and tal and lay of music. In this dance form, they tie a rope with mandapa or tree. Dancers hold the rope in one hand and dandiya in another. They make creeper-like formation, one going inside and the other coming out. This is repeatedly done, forming a circle. This way they make and then reopen the plate, that is Gunthan. This type of dance is called Gof Gunthan dance. After the Gof Gunthan dance, now let's see Dhamal dance. This dance is performed by the Siddhis of Jambur village of Gir district in Gujarat. This Siddhi community originally belongs to Africa. They perform this dance by rhythmically striking mashira. Mashira means coconut shells containing earthen lamp inside. And this mashira is covered with cloth. They wear peacock feathers and hold small drums in their hands. They dance in a circle, making ho-ho sound which echoes in the forest. They imitate the sounds of birds and animals. So, this was Dhamal dance. After Dhamal dance, now let's move on to Merayo dance. This dance is performed by the people living near the stepwell of Banaskantha region. In this dance, they weave a toran with tall grass like reed and झुनझुनाडी. रीड और झुनझुनाडी प्रकार के घास से वे एक तोरण बनाते हैं. जैसे पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हो, वो एक लकड़ी पे एक तोरण लिए खड़ा है. दे परफॉर्म दिस डांस ऑन ड्रम बीट्स एंड स्वॉर्ड ट्रिक्स. ड्रम बीट्स पे वे डांस करते हैं और एक आदमी है वो तलवारबाजी दिखाता है, स्वॉर्ड ट्रिक्स. पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हो, वो वाइट कपड़े पहने हुआ एक इंसान है, वो स्वॉर्ड ट्रिक्स कर रहा है. दिस टाइप ऑफ डांस इज कॉल्ड मेरायो डांस, राइट. आफ्टर मेरायो डांस, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू पधार डांस. दिस डांस is performed by the people of Padhar community of Surendranagar district. They dance with tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. While dancing, they make scenes like sea waves or a ship moving on the sea waves. दरिया की लहरों जैसी वे मूवमेंट करते हैं, या तो दरिया की लहरों पर चलने वाले शिप की मूवमेंट्स वो डांस में करते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ डांस इज कॉल्ड पधार डांस. आफ्टर पधार डांस, नाउ लेट्स सी द कोली डांस. दिस डांस इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ कोली कम्युनिटी ऑफ सौराष्ट्र डिस्ट्रिक्ट. इन दिस डांस दे वेयर मद्रासियो, अ हेड गियर, या तो उसे कह लीजिए टर्बन यानी पगड़ी पहनते हैं, ऑन हेड विथ अ ग्रीन स्ट्राइप एट एंड डेकोरेटेड विथ मिरर्स. एक ऐसी पगड़ी पहनते हैं कि जिसके एंड में एक स्ट्राइप होता है ग्रीन कलर का, और वो ग्रीन कलर का जो एंड होता है, पगड़ी का छेड़ा होता है, वो मिरर्स, छोटे छोटे मिरर्स उसमें लगे होते हैं। दे ऑल्सो वेयर भेट ऑन देयर वेस्ट टू परफॉर्म द डांस। दिस टाइप ऑफ डांस इज नोन एज कोली डांस। After Koli dance, let's come to Mer dance. Now this dance is performed by the Bharwad community of Saurashtra district. Right. Now let's move on to the tribal dances. First, let's see the Chado dance. Chado is a tribal dance of Gujarat. In this dance, they form a circle and play musical instruments like drum, manjira, thali and dholak. They imitate different bird creatures like peacock, squirrel and sparrow. In the Dang district, we also find dances like Madi no Chado and Thakariya Chado. They perform this dance at the time of festivals, marriages, fairs and even to please the gods and goddesses. So this was the tribal dance, Chado dance. Now let's see another tribal dance of Gujarat, that is Tippani dance. Tippani dance is a tribal dance of Gujarat. It is a dance of laborers, यानी श्रमहरी मजदूर लोगों का ये डांस है. It is performed by the Bhil and Koli community of Gujarat. In this dance form, thick wooden pieces are stuck to the end of the thick sticks. Thick sticks मोटी लकड़ियों के एंड में वुडन पीसेस, लकड़ी के बड़े टुकड़े लगाए जाते हैं. द डांसर्स डांस इन ग्रुप स्ट्राइकिंग देयर स्टिक्स टू द ग्राउंड. डांसर्स इस स्टिक को जोरों जोरों से, रिदम से, ताल से ज़मीन पर स्ट्राइक करते जाते हैं और इस प्रकार वे डांस करते हैं और इसे टिप्पणी डांस कहते हैं. राइट. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, these were the folk dances of Gujarat. In today's session, we discussed classical dance as well as the folk dances of Gujarat. I hope you understood them well. That's all in today's session. See you soon with a new topic and a new hope of learning something new. Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.